Oh yeah, this is some fishy water. In case anyone came looking for the man that killed that priest. Alright, fish on margarita. You are an absolute tank, buddy. Let's have at ya. Oh, yeah. Fishy people get mad. Put you back in the water. Yeah. Nice cutty. Okay. Pretty nice. Cutthroat. Get your back. He took the biddy. First catch of the day. Got another one on. Immediately. One after the other. Oh, this one's gonna give me a... Okay. Alright. It's just been a dry couple of days, so I'm getting real excited. And don't come out. Don't come out. Just run a little bit. Oh, and he's off. Did he take the whole rig? He took my dropper. He took my dropper. Well, thanks. Like almost no topwater action to speak of, which is interesting. The old dropper. She's the one. That's the biddy. Take the biddy. Take the biddy. Take it. And who could be mad when you got a view like that? Like that. Like that. And do you see anybody? Oh, the jewels. Fuck me. Take this. minute. Just a sec. Goddamn minute. Just about got a new pole.
Served its purpose too far.
Yeah, I got a little ambitious on that one.
Yeah.
This one's bent. Sorry. Oh, I'm glad you were there.
Yeah, that's
I could have eddied out there, but
well,
that was spooky.
yeah, you don't know what that undertow is going to do off the edge of that.
Put like a hole for each leg. Oh, there she goes. Rainbow. All right, not bad.
Down very far?
Yeah. I didn't, but the current takes it down. It's not disappointing. Fish on. He took the biddy. There she was. There she was. Look at this one.
Yeah, dude.
Get in there. Oh, no. Oh, he fell out. Yeah. He went in this little hole my foot's in. Snip it. Hey, Bear. What would you do with a drunken sailor? Doesn't that just make you all warm and fuzzy? Let's switch back to that blue if I take my boots off here. Through this have going on. Probably time for a new leader too. Kind of bungled that one. Kind of was being lazy with my fly and caught a fish. I was just trying to move downstream. Come here, Slick. So the ant will catch a fish. Sweet. Oh no, let me get you off. Hi. When it gets messy like that. Okay, well, that worked out. Let's try it again.